Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for you. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to delete all the registry files and garbages of our softwares. When we install softwares, with the softwares, a lots of registry files, associated files are downloaded to your C drives. And when you uninstall all the software, all these associated files and their registry files remain inside our softwares. And it's a burden for our software, and these files make our computer very slow, and our computer run very slow, and we don't know how to uninstall all these registry file because you have to manually go to C drive and install from there, and it's a very boring for our C drive. You have to search where these files are, and you can't find everything. For that, we have a software. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use Revo Uninstaller. Actually, Revo Installer is a very good software. It's a good feature is that it uninstall the software together with all its registry files, garbages, and associated files which are harmful for our computer, because we don't use the software after uninstalling, but their file remains and we don't know, and these files and their runs in the background in our C drive in our computer. So for this, you see we have here this Revo Uninstaller. You can download from here. I will put the link in our description box. Here you can change language. There are paid plan. We don't need to pay plan. You can just go for a free plan is enough for uninstalling the registry files and remainder file of any software. So from here you have to download. You see, click here. Download is not big problem. This you see downloading. After downloading, you once install the files, and I will show you how to uninstall all the associated its registry files, etc. Dear friend, please don't skip the video. Listen till the end, because this is the bonus class for you, bonus tutorial for you, dear friend. Your one subscription doesn't harm you anything, but it helps me a lot to make more creative tutorial for you. Your one subscription inspires me a lot to make more tutorial for you, dear friend, and it helps me putting to algorithm of YouTube, dear friend. That's why don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's jump into tutorial into Revo Uninstaller, dear. Now see, this is it's available. You can go for, you don't need to go for pro versions. Here you see, this is software. Here this is license, but I don't recommend you to 2 years of license. You have to buy this. A free version is good, and using this software you can remove all the registry files, everything and garbages of the softwares, and your C drive will be always lightweighted, and is delete all, it deletes all unnecessary files. Now I'll show you how it delete. No, I want to delete CapCut here. Using this, I will write CapCut here. You see, no, I have CapCut here, and we will click here and uninstall CapCut. No, I'm uninstalling CapCut using Revo Uninstaller. Are you sure? You're okay. Yes, I want to sure. Okay, uninstall. You say okay, uninstall. I will quit here because I'm uninstalling the CapCut in front of you, dear friend. Okay, uninstall. Okay. So you see, now we are installing CapCut. Complete. Now all the files, registry file, there are lots of registry files, and some files regarding this software has remained. So I will scan here. You see this in the scan in Revo Uninstaller. We will scan for this. So you see it's scanning, and it will delete automatically all files. That's why it's recommended, dear friend. I will put the link of this Revo Uninstaller in description box. So you can get from there and download. It's a free totally. It's most of features of this software is free. I use this for my daily basis because I download lots of software. After that, I have to delete that. I can't keep every software in my C drive. It will not have a place for that at all. Hello, dear friend. You see now Revo Uninstaller has here scan all the files here, all the registry files here. You see garbages of the softwares, and now we will see select all. We have to select all, and we will delete all here from here. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes, we have to delete all these garbages and registry files which remain after uninstalling CapCut. Now it will found all these registry files, folders, and leftover files will be deleted from our system here. You see, after found leftover files and folders, they have scanned again. You see their total file size. This file all will be deleted. We have to select all here. You see, we have selected and delete. Once again, it will delete. Are you sure you want to delete? You see how many files remain after uninstalling a program. That's why I recommend you to use this Revo Uninstaller to uninstall all these garbages and remains of files and registry files, etc. Here you see, no, it's from C driving scanning again. So it takes a long time, long process, dear friend. That's why manually you can't install everything. You uninstall a program, but you can't install everything related to that program. So see, we have no deleted selected, but remaining files will be deleted during the next system restart. When we will restart the system, it will again delete some of the files. So we have to finish there. We will finish. So we will finish all. We have deleted all the file. From here, we will refresh our system. Now it has refreshed our C drives. Every files are all the softwares which we use in our computer. All are visible here. From you can install from here. That's why, dear friend, I recommend you. This is for as a bonus tip. I have shown you how we can use this Revo Uninstaller from this site. You can download, and so it's a totally most of features are totally free here. So dear friend, today we have uninstall ultimately CapCut here because I don't need anymore because we have lots of good advanced alternative totally free or lifetime purchase once you have to purchase and use like this. Hello dear friend, we have learned how to use a Revo Uninstaller and remove all registry files, all the remaining files of any software after uninstalling the software, dear friend. Use this software for your daily work. It's the best recommended software, dear friend. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, share and write any suggestions. Share this channel to those friends actually who are in the need of such type of tutorial for any video editing software and photo editing software, any for software update or Canadian live tutorial, Davinci Resolve tutorial. You can join our channel here. There are several playlists available for you, waiting for you, dear friends. We meet in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye.